together, alright? Yes, action. Use the action. Do not pause the board. Ready? 1, 2, 3. बोलिए. My name is. अपना नाम बताइए. And I am going to recite a rhyme, which is two little dicky birds. Are you ready to sing? Yes or no? Are you ready to sing? गाना सकती हो? Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Two little dicky birds sitting on a vine. One in white, one in brown. Excellent. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One in pink, one in brown. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Very good. Give a big hand. One more time. Okay, repeat after me. My name is. अपना नाम. Very good. I am going to recite a poem, which is two little dicky birds. Are you ready? Are you ready to sing? Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Two little dicky birds sitting on a bough. One named Peter, one named Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a bough. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. One more time, alright? Two little dicky birds sitting on a bough. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Say thank you. Thank you, बोलिए. Say thank you. Thank you, बोलिए. Say one more time. Thank you. Very good. Go back to your benches one by one. Okay.